Hey WordPressers! I'm Jocelyn and we're thrilled to have you here today. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to import Forminator templates into your site using their exciting new feature, Cloud Templates. Let's dive in and make form building easier than ever. Let's get started by installing the WPMU Dev plugin, which is essential for using Forminator Pro. I'll guide you through each step, so feel free to pause if you need to. 1. First, go to the WPMU Dev website and log into your account. 2. Download the WPMU Dev plugin file. Just look for the download button in your dashboard. Make sure to save it somewhere you'll remember. 3. Now, head to your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, Add New, and then select Upload Plugin at the top. Take a second to find that Upload Plugin button. It's in the top left corner. 4. Upload the downloaded file, click Install Now, and then activate the plugin once it's installed. Once you see it installed, go ahead and activate it. 5. Finally, sign into your WPMU Dev account within WordPress to connect your site to the WPMU Dev Hub. This step is super important since it links your site directly to the hub where all the plugins are stored. Now that WPMU Dev is up and running, let's move on to installing the Forminator Pro plugin. 1. In the WPMU Dev dashboard, search for Forminator Pro under Available Plugins. It should pop right up, so give it a second to load. 2. Click Install and Activate to add it to your WordPress plugins. Forminator Pro will install automatically. Just let it finish, and you'll be good to go. 3. Once installed, you're all set to start exploring Forminator Pro's features. Let's go check out those templates. With Forminator Pro installed, let's explore the new template options. The latest update now includes 27 templates, tons of choices to speed up form creation. Now, let's create an appointment booking form using one of these templates. In the Forminator Pro dashboard, click on Create to view the available templates. You'll see a nice list of pre-made templates. Go ahead and scroll through them for a moment. Choose the appointment booking template. This one's great for collecting appointment details simply and efficiently. Take your time to preview it and see how it's structured. Customize the fields as needed. You can even add contract fields seamlessly into your form, making it look professional without clunky formatting. This is where you can add, remove, or edit any fields to fit what you need. When you're done customizing, click Publish to finalize your form. Then, you can save it to the cloud to access it easily for future use on other sites. Pause here to save and get ready to use it on another site. Let's review our saved template in the Cloud Templates section. From here, you can view, edit, or use the template across different sites. This makes it super easy to have all your forms ready to go wherever you need them. Finally, add your form to your WordPress site. Go to the Forminator dashboard, find your published form, and copy the shortcode displayed for it. Open the page where you want to add the form using Elementor. In Elementor, search for the shortcode widget in the Elementor panel, then drag and drop it onto your page where you'd like the form to appear. Paste the Forminator shortcode into the widget settings. Your form will now be embedded and visible on the page. And that wraps up today's tutorial. This new cloud template feature is a massive time saver and sets Forminator apart from competitors like Gravity Forms and Formidable Forms. Let us know your thoughts on this feature in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.